The EC28M Quiet Air Compressor is the first in a low-noise series from Metabo HPT that produces just 59 dBs of sound so quiet that a normal conversation can be easily heard while the compressor is cycling nearby. It features an industrial oil-free pump for high durability with low maintenance and a 2.8-amp direct drive induction motor for longer life. The motor is protected by an overload protection circuit that cuts off power in the case of an overload situation. Extremely compact and weighing just 25.2 pounds, the EC28M has an ergonomically shaped rubber carrying handle to make it easier to transport around any job site. The steel roll cage design protects the factory-installed universal quick coupler and steel-encased industrial gauges. This quiet compressor has 0 sets up a time and is ready to go straight out of the box. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Rubber feet. Absorb shock, reduce vibration and minimize crawling. Number 2. Industrial quick coupler, for easy one-handed hose connection. Number 3. Same tools. New name. Hitachi Power Tools has renamed Metabo HPT. Number 4. Ultra-quiet operation at only 59 dBs. So quiet that a normal conversation can take place while the compressor is cycling and the compressor sound is barely noticeable. Number 5. A steel roll cage with a rubber grip protects all critical components and provides comfort during transport. Number 6. The quiet industrial oil-free pump provides high durability with no maintenance. Number 7. Industrial regulators and gauges allow for easy and accurate Psi adjustments. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.